Hello, sir. I'm Kay Medina po, and I will be using administration daily from the major birthday, sir.
My name is Chase L. Francisco and my birthday is on September 15, 2000.
Okay, check ko lang po yung list namin for verification. Okay, for this assessment po, we will be doing the oral care. We will be brushing your teeth. But before we proceed po, I will just perform hand hygiene to prevent the spread of microorganisms. I already prepared the materials. And we have the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the towel, and the water. And I will raise your head of bed or head bed to make you sit, since we will have it, assuming that you're already seated. Po. Okay, sir, I will prepare po the toothbrush. Okay. I will just here it go. Do you want to burger first?
Yes.
Spit it out. Okay. Then I will brush your teeth. Open your mouth po. Open. Smile. Okay, gently. Okay. Burger and spit it out po. Then open your mouth. I will brushing your inside, your chewing teeth. Okay, quadrant na lang po tayo. Gurgle and spit it out. Okay. Then the other side, open your mouth. Okay. Gurgle and spit it out, sir. Then the outside naman. Open your mouth again. Gurgle and spit it out, sir. Okay. The other side naman po. Gurgle and spit it out. And the upper quadrant naman. Gurgle and spit it out. Again po. Okay. Just that your mouth po. Do you want mouthwash pa po, sir? Okay. Are you comfortable na?
Yes.
Do you have anything that I can do? Nothing? Okay, maybe higa ka na po ulit. Okay. Maganda po, sir, for this assessment. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we will be doing the shampooing. First, we will place a towel underneath the patient's head. Pwede po ba kayong itaas na po yung ulo niya? muna po kayo po. Ito. Ito. Ilan na po tayo ulit, sir? Okay. So next, we will place a damp towel to protect the patient's eye. Okay. And then prepare the water with warm water. And I already prepared that. So we will proceed na to the shampoo. Medyo muna. Then we will take the shampoo. And rub it with the patient's hair. Okay, gently. Then, massage it first before rinsing it. Then, rinse it na po. Okay. Okay. So if it's needed, you can wash the hair again if it's only needed. Okay, after you take the damp water, the damp towel and gently tap the patient's face. Then grab another towel. For the patient's hair. And gently scrub it for the excess water. Sir, all done na po. You can return to your original position. Okay na. Hello, sir. For today's assessment po, we will do the bed bath. It is okay with you, sir? Okay, I will now proceed. You will have to take a towel and dump it in a mix of warm and not warm water. And stir it up. And gently, inner to outer, the dumping. Inner, then outer of the eye so it doesn't irritate. And dump the rest of the face. Gently. Okay? And the neck also. Is it cold, sir? It's just right temperature.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And you will rinse the washcloth before doing it again. Like before, since you will dump the face of the patient gently so the patient doesn't get cold. And after the face, we will can you No. Usog lang, usog. Yan. Then I will place the towel underneath your arms so your bed will keep dry. Diba? Then you'll proceed to and okay, gently. And after, you will have to rub it with a towel so it dry easily and the patient doesn't get cold. After with arms, we will rinse the washcloth and proceed to the legs. Okay, and dab it with a towel. Okay, and I will just do the same to the other side. Okay. Hello sir, for this assessment po, we will be doing the back massage. For the next step, I will ask the patient to remove his hospital gown, but since we doesn't have it here, I already told the patient to take off his clothes for us to be ready for the next step. What? Are you comfortable with not wearing anything, sir? Is it okay to back massage you? Can you turn to your side? Usog ka po muna dito. Okay, then face that side. Okay. Usually po, I will place a mat or a linen here. But since we doesn't have any, we'll just assume. And baba ka na, sir. Okay po. Okay. Just relax. Are you comfortable now, sir? Okay. And we will apply lotion to massage his back. Usog ka. Usog ka po dito, sir. Okay. And gently strokes. Sunod ang kapit kami yan. Nagawang kumaji. From the down to up. Okay, and then just repeat this for 3 minutes. Down to up, then up to down. And then we will be doing this up to down to up and up to down, and repeat it with the other side. Then you will get the lotion again. Then you will use your thumb and index finger in a circling motion. Are you okay, sir? Okay. And repeat it again. And repeat it for 3 minutes. And after this, I will ask the patient to wear his lab or hospital gown and to return to his original position.